Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about an innovative product, the DreameBot L10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop with Automatic Emptying, Mop Self-Cleaning, LDS Navigation, 5300 pascals Suction, 3D Mapping and Control App. In the box, you will find the L10 Ultra Vacuum and Mop Robot, a charging station, an emptying station, a remote control, 2 mop pads, a 2.5 liters clean water tank, a 3 liters dust bag, and a user manual. The DreameBot L10 Ultra is equipped with a LiDAR sensor for precise navigation and an SLAM algorithm to map your home in 3D. It also has a powerful 5300 pascals suction to effectively eliminate dirt. The dustbin has a large capacity of 350 milliliters and can be emptied up to 60 days thanks to the exclusive Dual Boost 2.0 emptying system, which also avoids hair and dirt entanglements. The mop is washed and dried automatically, which means the robot is ready for the next cleaning. When it detects carpets, it lifts the mop 7 mm and boosts suction to keep the carpets dry and clean them thoroughly. The robot is equipped with an anti-tangle rubber brush that shakes dirt and debris in carpets and rugs, and avoids hair tangles. 2 high-speed rotating mops manage dirt and splashes, scrubbing stains for impressive cleaning of hard floors. The charging station is also equipped with a 2.5 liters clean water tank for continuous mopping of the entire house. You can take control of your robot via the Dream Home app, available on your phone. In summary, the DreameBot L10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop with Automatic Emptying, Mop Self-Cleaning, LDS Navigation, 5300 pascals Suction, 3D Mapping and Control App is an innovative product that allows you to put cleaning on autopilot. With a 60-day autonomy, convenient emptying, self-cleaning mop, and precise control, this robot will allow you to have a clean house effortlessly. Don't hesitate to subscribe and leave a comment for more information. If you liked this video, you can leave me a like and a comment to let me know what you think of the product.